अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, कल रात में हमारे अज़ीज़ शागिर्द माइकल के जहन में बहुत सारे इश्कालात सवालात आए थे जो स्पेशली टेररिज़म और इस्लाम, जिहाद और पीस से रिलेटेड थे। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उनको इत्मीनान बख्श मैंने उसके जवाबात दे दिया था। वापस से आज इनके कुछ सवालात थे जो हमारी मुआशरती ज़िंदगी है, जो उमूमन हमारे इंडिया में भी टीवी न्यूज़ चैनल वाले जिसको ज़्यादातर हाईलाइट करते हैं कि इस्लाम में 4 शादियों की इजाज़त कैसे है और इस्लाम में ये क्यों है और वो क्यों है। तो माइकल के माइंड में भी आज ये सवाल आया था, वो मुझसे पूछने लगे तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं है, मैं उसको रिकॉर्ड करके आपको जवाब देता हूँ। यहाँ के इस वक्त में 12 बज रहे हैं, तो पूछते हैं माइकल के माइंड में क्या क्वेश्चन है। या
I have one question about Islam cultures. I know the Islam, one man can get married several girl,
wives.
yeah, several wives. In my opinions, in the perspective of women, there will be discrimination. They will be think about that. That is discrimination. But men can get married with several wives, but the woman cannot get married with several men, several husbands. So in the perspective of woman, they must say, this is sexual discrimination, gender discrimination. So how can you explain about this, the woman's human rights issues? Yeah, that is my question.
Michael, it's very simple question and very simple answer. You know, ratio female and male, in between male and female ratio much difference, because females ratio more than males ratio. You know, because you are in South Korea, I think your neighbor China and Korea and Japan, if you read some figure, then you can understand in China also, in North Korea also, in Japan, in many countries, the ratio all female more than males. Because you can see in your country, in Korea, many girls, they are driving government buses. And yesterday I have been on airport. Many girls, they was to hold baggage, luggage, many things, and that work not doing in my country, in India, because in India, I will explain after this. So females ratio more than males ratio. So Islam allowed to men, you can marry more than one, and you can marry with thrice, no problem. Why? If one man, because male ratio is less, if one male, if he will marry with 2 women, if 3 women, so no problem. If he is stable to spend money and give them home and give them clothes and give them food and other expenses, so it's allowed in Islam. So this is equality. If one man, if he will marry with 2-3 girls, then girls ratio will come in equality. If men will not marry with 2 or 3 female, then what will happen? Then many females, they will alive without men. They will alive without husband. They will alive, and I think you know well, in your country, South Korea also, will too many and too much females, they are not has any husband. Without husband they are living. Why? Because females ratio more than males. And problem in my country, in India, many people, they are killing baby girls. Baby girls, they don't want to girls, they are killing to baby girls. Why? Because they just need male, they just want men, they just want boy. They are killing to baby girls. Why? Because females ratio was more than male ratio. But now is situation and condition is very difficult. Now in India, for 100 boys, only 80 girls, 80 females. 20 males don't have any girls, any woman, any female to marry with her. So in Islam don't allow to kill any baby girl and any female and any woman. Islam told, if any girl she wants to born, no problem. If he come in world, so Islam allow her to make marry with anyone. So in Islam this is human rights. And your second question, why for men allowed to marry with four females, and why not allowed for woman she can marry with 4 men? Yeah, it's very simple answer. Because female, she has shyness. Shy.
Yeah.
She is feeling shyness. First thing, she also will not allow to herself to become wife of 4 men. This is one thing. Second thing,
Instinct, kind of a woman's instinct.
yes, these things, shy, she shy. And other thing, second thing, if woman, if she has more than one husband, 2 or 3, and she get pregnancy, then this boy or this pregnancy and this girl, anyone, if she will after 9 months, if anyone will come, boy or girl, so which husband will be father of this baby? Which husband? Because she has 3 husbands. So which husband? So 3 of will fight with each other. Someone will say she is my baby. Someone will say he is my boy. Someone will say, and 3 of they are fighting with each other. So in Islam, it's very, very clear. Any baby, if he is getting born, so he should be name of father and name of genealogy. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If he has 3 father, so from which father's genealogy you will call him and you will call her. Do you understand? And another thing, your first question, you told one man he can allow to marry with 4 women, because one thing I told you, difference between ratio male and female. And another thing, if any male, he has so much power of sexuality, he is very sexy man, and if he will sleep with his wife, and after sleep his wife, he want more sex with another wife, another female, or if his wife is not well, she is sick, she in hospital, she is not feeling well, and her husband want to make sexual relation with someone, in that condition Islam is not allowing to her husband he make adultery, he make sexual relation with any female or any prostitutes. Islam allowing, if you want to make relation, so you first you should marry with any female and then you can make with her sexual relation. Do you understand now?
Yeah, I understand, but I have more question.
No problem.
Yeah,
Any
because
doubt, any difficulty, you
yeah.
can ask.
I firstly, I thank you for your explanation, because through your explanation, through your talking, I can understand what you think and what the explanation of Islam. But maybe some Quran's verses also explain about the kind of our Quran also have answer to our my questions, right?
Yes.
And in the past generation, in the Old Testament, in the Bible, Old Testament also say about one man get married many girls. For example, kings, Solomon, David get married many females. And in the old generations, old ages, the only men go to war, and many men were killed in the battle.
Yes.
So small amount of men remained, and many girls remained. So your explanation is very good in that situations.
Yes.
So, very small count men and many women. In that case, in that situations, the woman can get many wife is reasonable.
Yes.
At that times. But I think the generation is changed.
Yes, you are correct. But
Yeah.
generation is changed. But you told very good answer about war. You understand well. Between South Korea and North Korea was war. In that situation, 100,000 people, they are dead, both sides, males, and left too much females. In that situation, what that females will do? And you know, at the time of First World War and Second World War, in whole Europe was one man for more than 50 females, because everywhere only females, and males was all males, they dead in World War. Yeah, so because in Islam, if you marry with 4 women and with 3 and 2, you will be support to her. And in India also many times many females, they are became widow. She got divorce from her husband. In that situation, she widow, she divorced, what she will do?
Maybe she want man don't get married, but if there is no man who doesn't get married, she want to maybe get married. So marry is man.
Yes.
I'm not sure, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a woman.
Yeah.
But I don't know exactly what women
Yeah,
want.
because she lose her support, her husband, In that situation, what she will do? She will start to prostitution. If anyone, any male, if he will not become her support, then what she will do? She will start to dance in beer bar, in hotel, in restaurant, or she start to become prostitute and any bad things and bad way.
I understand your explanation, but no, this day, not Second World Day, and this day, what if the war is cessation, war cease, and this day in Korea is same. The number of men and the number of women is the same. The ratio is, what if the ratio of gender is become same? You explain the cultures through ratio of woman and man's ratio, but the ratio of woman and man become same. How can you explain?
Yeah, because you told today is not war, but you know, in Syria more than 2,100 people, they dead in Syria war, and today nowadays this war is running. There are many millions females, they have no husband. And in this situation, what she will do? In Iraq war is going now. There are millions females. She lose her husbands, and in that situation, what they all will do? So Islamic rule and Islamic verses, not for one period and 1 year and 10 year, it's for till the day of judgment. So because we can see in past, we can see nowadays, and we can see in future. So in every condition, present, future, past, we can see Islam for till day of the judgment. So this all rules, in past we can see World War time, nowadays we can see in Syria and Iraq war. So it's compulsory and necessary and naturally one male, he can become support for 4 females, 2 females, 3 females. It's not difficult for men.
Yes, I understand your explanation, and I respect you support the Quran verses.
Yes.
Because you are Islam, and you have to follow the rule of Islam, and you are leader of Islam, so you explain about your rule and the good aspect of your rules, Islam rule. But as you know, I'm not Islam. I'm not Christian. I'm not Islam. So I have a little bit different aspect, different perspective, because I think maybe God exists. I believe God is love, God is peaceful, so God love man and God love also women.
Yes.
And God understand the man's mind, and God also understand woman's mind. God also love woman. So I think we need to understand woman's mind also.
Yes.
We have we consider women also have desire. Women don't want to men who are another woman's husband.
Yes.
Same. You also don't want to girl who are another man's wife. Yeah. Also, woman, in the perspective of women, also they don't want to men who are get married another woman's, because woman also want to
Separate husband.
get love of one man. They want also true love relationship. So I want the man also have to respect and regard woman's condition, woman's positions. But because woman also have emotion, woman also have right to be happy.
Yes.
So I don't want to hurt your religion. I don't want to ignore your religion.
This is not ignorance about my religion and my opinion, but this is in my religion all rules, all situations, all conditions for human rights. My religion giving human rights to all females, because I explained you about Syria war, about Iraq war, about First World War, Second World War. That time so many females, millions females lose her husband. In that situation, Islam, if she will not get any female, then what will happen? What she will do? Who will support her? At the Second World War time, in whole Europe, everywhere you can see, everywhere was only dead bodies, because no one was support for her, no one was support for elders, no one was support. So Islam respected for females, Islam respected for women, and because Islam is given the right to a female, she can become the wife any person, any male. If she will not become wife, then what she will do? And I explain you, because in my country people don't like females, don't like baby girls, they are killing baby girls. You can see right now in Google, if you enter, you can see why they don't like girls. So they are killing girls. But Islam says, no, don't kill girl. If she want to born, no problem. And if she will get age, or Islam has gives equal rights to boy and to girl, to male, to female. Yeah. So Islam told, if girls ratio increased more than boys, no problem. So allows to males, you can marry more than one. So will equality in our culture. And you can see same situation in Indonesia and in Malaysia.
Okay. Okay.
No, just 1 second.
Okay.
In Indonesia and Malaysia, Islamic country, they are following this rule, 2 wives or 3 wives, because there is no one will kill his girl and baby girl. They are giving equal rights to girls also. So in Indonesia, Malaysia, so many females, so many girls, but they are males marrying with 2 and 3, and they are giving equal rights to everyone.
I think your explanation is can be reasonable in some situation. Like you explain some situations, war situation. In that case, your explanation is reasonable, can be reasonable. Yeah, in my experience, maybe there is God. God is creator, and creator is the source of love. Creator is origin of every good things. Creator, which call Allah, which is called God, is the source of every good things, every love, every peace. So He wants us to be happy. He wants man to be happy. Also, He wants woman also be happy. So we acknowledge woman's position also. We understand woman's
Yes.
happiness.
Yes.
Also. We understand we need to be considerate woman's position also. Women also have a right to be happy.
Yes, because Islam has gives her rights to be happy. If she will marry, she is widow, she has got divorce, and Islam has gives to right to marry with any male. If she will get married, she will become happy, and she will not marry, then what she will do? You know? Yes, Islam has gives her equal rights. This is right. Islam has gives her right. If one male, if he will not marry with 2 and 3, so condition will like India. I told you, people will start to baby girl.
Okay. I have one more things I want to share.
Okay.
That is about the sexual desire and mature love. You talk about some sexy man have a strong sexual desire.
Yeah.
He want to make sex with a wife and more than one wife. If one wife is go to hospital,
Yeah.
he will have strong desire to sex another girl.
Yeah.
But the regulation of Islam don't allow the man with sex relationship with prostitute or another girl.
Yeah.
Except wife.
Yes.
Legitimate wife.
Yes.
But I feel mature love is a different sexual desire. Sometimes mature person, sometimes a mature man, sometimes mature person endure and control their body's desire because mature men want to love her wife very mature method.
Yes.
Not just
for sexuality.
Yes, or sexuality.
Yeah.
They don't want to using woman to satisfy their sexual desire.
Yeah. Michael.
Yeah.
I think you are watching romantic movies too much.
Too much.
Because you are speaking romantic spoken. This, yeah, because
is not reality.
Yeah, this is not reality. Because sexuality is like food. If you feel hungerness, then what you will do?
Eat.
You will eat, you will take food, and you will make food. Same thing like sexuality. If any man, he is feeling a strong sexual need in his body, because it's like hunger. So what he will do? Then he will keep all these things you say, like emotions, romance and love. These all things, it's not important, because he just want to make relationship with anyone. So yeah, he was to satisfaction. So in that situation, that condition, he will keep all that things inside other things, and he just need to satisfaction. So in that situation and condition, Islam is not allowing him to make relation with any prostitute or with any other female or with any other woman. Islam will allow him if he want to make relation only with his wife. So Islam allowed him. If you are not satisfied with one female, okay, no problem. You can make marry, you can get married with other female. Do you understand now?
I understand, because I am also man. I have also desire. I have a desire, but I just want to share, and I just want to I just want you to know about. I just want you to think about what is true love. I think true love is you say Michael is have romance, emotional. It is not reality, but I want you to think about what is true love, and I think true love is more than sexual desire.
Yeah. But I explained you. True love is not important here, because true love only people making before marriage. After marriage, they are not lover, they are not girlfriend and boyfriend, they are husband and wife, and they will start to fight with each other, and they will start to many things. So in Islam is this romantic spoken and romantic poetry is not important. Importancy only if this guy, he want to make physical relation and his wife is not allowed, or she is sick, or she is in hospital, and doctor said him you are not able to make physical relation. In that situation, this guy, because I explained you before, sexuality same like hungerness. Yeah, when anyone will
resist.
Yes, because someone will eat something, then he will feel good. Same, then someone will make physical relation, he will feel relief and comfortable. So in that situation, Islam is not allowing him to make relation with any prostitutes or any female. In that condition, it's only allow him to make relation with his wife. If she is in hospital, in that condition, he should to get married with another female. But he will not allowing to make relation with some other one. Do you understand now?
Yeah, your explanation is a realistic explanation.
Yes.
But I have one more question.
Yeah, no problem.
Today night is very deep, so I want just one more question.
Yeah.
What if some woman who very strong sexual desire, she doesn't want to just met one man. She want to more than one man because she have very strong sexual desire.
Yeah.
What if that in that case?
Yes.
She cannot
Yeah.
resist.
Yes. Female, male and in female, too much differences. Only male become like this situation. If female, she will feel this desire and condition, she will not speak you. She will not explain. She has very, very, very much patience. You know, patience. She has patience. Man has no patience, but female has patience. If one man, he will make with her physical relation, she can get patient. Or I explained you before also, if she want 2 or 3 men, it's not allowed for her, because if she will get pregnancy, then which husband he will say this baby is my baby?
But there is not enough explanation because modern science technology is advanced. In the modern technologies, we can test genetically we can know who is the father of a baby. We can know. Modern science is very developed.
Yes,
Yeah,
you are correct.
So in this generation, we can know which man is the father of the baby.
Yes.
So yeah.
But it's not allowed for female because
Lord.
Yeah, because female is one another thing. I will explain you. Because God, He made to male strong, and female, she is weak. She is not like male strong, and she is not like men. She can hold everything. Understand?
You means the man is strong than woman.
Then woman, yeah.
So you mean the man and woman is different?
Not different. Rights in Islam, the rights of men and female equal, but many things differences in male and female, because God made to female weak and make to male strong than female. Many things you can understand. I can explain you. You know, monthly menses only get females. Male is not getting. You know or no? Don't know. I think you don't know. After your marriage, you will know and you will understand many things. So females are weak than males. In sexuality, in many things, in work, in everything. Yeah. So because God given to right females, she only can marry with one male. If he will die, then she can marry with another male, no problem. If he will also die, then no problem, she can marry with another male. But one time she has allowed only can get married with one male. Now understand?
Okay. Yeah. Because the Islam Quran say the regulation.
Yes.
There is there is a fundamental explanation.
Yes.
Source of you.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Because God is creator and God give us kind of commandment.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I am very happy. After 40-minute discussion, you understand well.
Yeah.
And you agreed with my opinion.
I agree some point, but I have some different opinion, actually.
Yeah.
But this discussion is very good discussion, I feel. Thank you for your passionate explanation, very strong speech.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank
you so much. And right now 12:45, so we need to sleep.
Yeah.
तो मेरे मोहतरम बुज़ुर्गों, ये माइकल के साथ में जो निकाह है, मर्द को 4 बीवियों की इजाज़त, औरतों को क्यों 4 बीवियों की इजाज़त नहीं है, उस पर हम दोनों के बीच का ये मुनाज़रा तकरीबन आप लोगों की खिदमत में पहुँचेगा 40-42 मिनट का. और फ़िलहाल यहाँ पे रात के 12:45 बज रहे हैं. हम लोग 12 बजे से बैठे थे डिस्कशन करते हुए. अभी हमारा डिस्कशन ख़त्म होने आ रहा है. बस अल्लाह तबारक व तआला से यही दुआ करूँगा, अल्लाह तबारक व तआला इस मुनाज़रे को जिसको मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया हूँ उम्मत मुस्लिमा के लिए और ख़ास तौर पे हमारे जो गैर मुस्लिम भाई है उन लोगों के लिए समझने का ज़रिया बनाएं, हिदायत का ज़रिया बनाएं और बहुत सारे लोगों के ईमान में दाखिल होने का ज़रिया बनाएं. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wow, nice. I will teach you well. No problem.
Okay.